All right, let's go over our agenda for this week. So for our agenda, Okay, we're gonna watch the weekly video. You're clearly doing that. Then we have our 4.5, 4.6 video notes. After you complete the video notes, you can go over to Big Ideas and complete the homework assignment and submit your showing work form to Schoology. Then you will need to go to 4.7 video notes and have these done before class as well. So both sets of notes need to be finished before coming to class. And then in class, we're going to do the 4.7 homework. So that won't be accessible to you until class. And then in person, we're going to review a little bit of what we did in distance learning, and then all of chapter 4, and then as well as complete the homework assignment. Let's get out of here. So when you go to the folder, we have 4.5 notes, we have the showing work form, we have the video notes, as well as where you will eventually post your showing work page for the 4.7, but that will not become live on Big Ideas until class. And then if you happen to lose your notes packet, I also uploaded that here for you. So everything is located in this folder, and I'm going to let you go ahead and get started on your math stuff for this week.